Hey guys, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Welcome to the farm. Hey, there's the old Harbor Freight, 20-ton log splitter. So I've loved this thing. It's been a workhorse, but look what somebody did. I was driving through the field right beside the wood pile, and I kissed it with my truck. Didn't hit anything else except for the little bumper broke this. I got something ordered off Amazon. I'm gonna try to see what I can do. So I cracked it right there, but I don't see any other damage. Choke's okay, carbs seems fine. So I ordered this plastic piece, I think. I'll see if I got the right one. And it doesn't look hard. There's a hose there, and maybe the carburetor bolts. Surely there's something else, and I guess the air cleaner in the top. We'll see. There's what I got in. Made in China. I wanted to make sure it was it could be repaired with its cousin made in China. Gasket and some nuts. A little different style, like a clip open, maybe. Oh, I see. Okay, instead of a screw on, so we'll see how this works. That looks real high quality. Spark plug, some gaskets and some new nuts, and a little bit of air hose. All right. And I messed it up. I got it good. The old tin, yep. Man, we gotta take better care of this. And it fits, I think. See about this air hose. Better come around. Okay, that's on there. Broken. It's cracked. All right, that's tight. All right, I forgot which way is which. I know choke's that way, so fuel. I guess I need the bottom of it. Fuel on is that way. I think I got fuel. Switch is on. Okay, y'all saw it start. She ran. I let the carburetor run it out of fuel. I appreciate you watching. I have got to stop abusing this old girl, especially hitting it with a truck. You know, it didn't fit exactly right, and I'll see how that new air filter does. I'll keep an eye on that air cleaner in there, but it's a different type. I should try to take those stickers off, but they probably won't come. But anyway,